Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the device into the right state, recovery or DFU depending on model. Once connected, your computer detects a device needing restore. That triggers the restore dialog. You should use an updated OS and the latest iTunes or Finder to avoid protocol mismatches. Make sure you use a known good cable and change USB ports if detection fails. These first steps fix most handshake problems, so the restore can proceed without protocol errors. Now, choose Restore when the software indicates corruption or repeated failures. That removes the current system and installs fresh firmware. You'll download firmware. Expect 15 to 60 minutes depending on file size and connection. During download, avoid sleeping the computer and keep the iPhone connected. If the process stalls, cancel and retry. Often switching to a wired Ethernet or another computer clears intermittent network or driver issues that block the firmware transfer. Once the restore finishes, the device restarts into setup. Follow on-screen steps and restore your backup from iCloud or a local archive. Make sure activation succeeds by inserting the correct SIM and signing into your Apple ID. Activation errors often come from account or carrier issues. If the phone still shows errors or won't complete, perform a DFU restore on a different computer. This eliminates local driver and software conflicts. That one extra retry usually resolves the remaining failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.